Let's talk about the goal of this weight loss journey. It's really easy to fixate on the number we want to see on the scale, or the amount of weight we want to lose, whether it's 20, 30, or even 100 pounds or more. But focusing solely on the number can make the weight loss process feel like a long, grueling uphill battle. Because fat comes off of your body gradually, over many weeks and months. Instead, I want to encourage you to focus on a goal outside of the number on the scale. The vision of what it will feel like to live in a healthier body, to feel proud of your food choices day in and day out. The peace of mind. To know that you're free from stressing over what to eat or counting every calorie. To have figured out a system that works for you so that you can enjoy your life and stop obsessing over food. It's not about perfection. It's about doing your best for your future self. The reality is that we live in a society with fast, convenient, cheap, hyper-palatable, and sometimes irresistible treats all around us. Will we indulge in them again? Probably. But let's not beat ourselves up over it. Having the tools and information that we need to set ourselves up for dietary excellence is a superpower. It enables you to get right back on track and make your next meal a healthy, filling, and delicious one. Something as simple as my greens, beans, and starch easy meal formula helps me get back on track if I find myself indulging in one too many addictive junk food treats. When we're overworked, tired, and overwhelmed in life, something as simple as, "I just don't know what to make for dinner," can lead us down the path of least resistance called pizza. Or in my case, a salad bowl full of cereal for dinner. Having a ridiculously easy go-to meal like sweet potato, black beans, and broccoli can be what it takes to get me back on track. I emphasize keeping it simple almost every time I talk about weight loss, because the more complicated you make healthy eating, the less likely you are to stick with it when life gets busy. So while you may fantasize about how you will look when you lose the weight, I want to encourage you to visualize how proud of yourself you're going to feel when you have put the system into place to ensure that you are your healthiest self. What will that mean for you? How will that change your life? Please don't obsess over making sure you're doing everything perfectly for this 30-day weight loss challenge. It's not a boot camp, and it's not about the 30 days. It's about you, your life, your body, your health, your energy level, how you feel about yourself, and the decisions you're making now and after the 30 days. So if you quote-unquote mess up and skip a few days, then start over as many times as you need to. Just take it one healthy meal at a time. And I think you should be really proud of yourself for the fact that you even care enough about yourself and your health, and that you're conscientious about your food choices enough to begin this challenge at all. And if or when you get overwhelmed, just remember to keep it simple. Make a few sweet potatoes and eat those. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.